This video I will explain how to link bank account to Paytm. Once you link your bank account to Paytm, you can send money, receive money and make payments directly from your bank account. Linking bank account means connecting your bank account to the Paytm app. After linking, you can send money instantly, receive money, pay bills and shop and use UPI payments. All transactions happen directly from your bank account. Now we will see what is UPI. Paytm uses UPI or Unified Payments Interface. UPI allows instant bank-to-bank money transfer using your mobile phone. Before you start the linking process, you have to make sure you have a valid bank account which is ready to link and mobile number linked to your bank account, Paytm app installed on your phone and active SIM card in your phone. This is important because Paytm verifies your account using your mobile number. Now we will see how to link bank account to Paytm. First you have to open the Paytm app, log in using your mobile number. Then enter the OTP to verify. OTP is nothing but one-time password. And OTP is a temporary code which is sent to your phone for verification. Then you have to go to UPI and bank accounts. On the home screen, find UPI and payment settings and tab on add bank account. Then you have to select your bank. A list of banks will appear. You have to choose your bank from the list. Paytm will now try to find your account automatically. Then automatic verification happen. Paytm checks your bank account using your registered mobile number. If everything matches, your bank account will appear and select that account. Then you have to create or set UPI PIN. Now you need to set a UPI PIN. UPI PIN is nothing but a secret number which is used to approve payments. You may need debit card details like last digits and expiry date. After entering the details, you can create your UPI PIN. Once done, your bank account linked successfully. Your bank account is connected and you can start sending and receiving money. Now we will see the real life example. Amit installed Paytm and wants to send money to his friend. He opens Paytm, goes to add bank account, select his bank, set his UPI PIN. Now Amit can send money instantly, pay bills, scan QR codes at shops, all directly from his bank account. What happens after linking? After linking your bank account, you do not need to enter bank details again. You can send money using mobile number or UPI ID. Payments become fast and easy. Now we will see what are the common problems and solutions. Problem 1. Bank not detected. Reason is mobile number not linked with bank. The solution is you have to update your mobile number in the bank. Problem 2. UPI PIN not set. Solution is enter correct debit card details. Problem 3. OTP not received. Solution is check network or SIM card. Now we will see the safety tips. Never share your UPI PIN. Never share your OTP. Always check receiver's detail before sending money. Here you can see the summary of whatever we have discussed.